everyone, I'm Leila from SUMEC. Today is the 8th anniversary of our SUMEC Touch World. We are very honored to invite Mr. Hassan Mohammed, the Trade Commissioner, Nigerian Regional Investment and Trade Office, Shanghai, to share investment opportunities in Nigeria. Welcome.
Thank you.
Well, first off, I'm really curious. When it comes to the Nigerian market, what do you think are the core market attractions for the Chinese enterprises?
If you want to do business in Africa, you have to go to Nigeria, or else you have not started. Why? Because Nigeria is the largest country in Africa with a population of over 200 million and with the highest GDP. So Nigeria guarantees you the market for your products. Nigeria is the highest producer of petroleum products in Africa. It also has a very large land for agriculture. It also provides you with the opportunity to invest without hindrance, without problems, because Nigerian governments and the laws in Nigeria are targeted to make you succeed, and you can invest in Nigeria without a local participant. You can own your company 100% in Nigeria. You can also take in your investment, your funds without any problem. You're also free to take your profit and your investment back to your country without any problem. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. That's a fascinating perspective. Now I'm wondering, to keep that attractiveness going strong, what specific policies has the Nigerian government introduced to attract the foreign investment?
Well, Nigerian government have a lot of policies to attract investors. This cut across some incentives put in place by Nigerian government. For example, like I said, it guarantees you to own your company 100%, and you can repatriate your funds and your profit back to your country 100%. There are laws that also guarantee that your investment can never be in any way seized by any government or by an individual. There are laws to guide your investments in Nigeria. And there are also some fiscal policies put in place by the government, like the tariff waiver, the custom duty waivers for new startups. We also have some policies like free land for people who want to build factories, the Nigerian export processing zones, which guarantee you to operate your company within the zone and enjoy free tax, and enable you to also export this product from the free zones to other countries of the world, Africa and ECOWAS. So it is a very big policy that Nigerian government have put in place to guarantee your investments in Nigeria.
Absolutely, these policies are indeed very important. But we all know that when Chinese enterprises invest overseas, they also face a series of challenges, such as the exchange rate fluctuations and local content requirements and the security situation. So I'm eager to know, what kind of support will the Nigerian government offer to ease the concerns of these enterprises?
Well, the Nigerian government have put in place so many policies. For example, currency fluctuations is a global phenomenon, but the Nigerian government has tried using some monetary policies to guarantee stability of the naira, that's the local currency. In the last few months, I can tell you that the naira has been very stable due to some government policies. If you look at it again, Nigeria and the Chinese government, Nigeria being a member of the BRICS, and a very important trading partner to China, have also started some few years ago the process of signing the currency swap agreement with the Chinese government, which will guarantee that the RMB yuan will also be an acceptable legal tender in international transactions between Nigeria and China, which guarantee that Chinese investors will not witness very high currency fluctuations issues in Nigeria. On the issue of local content, I've also been encouraging local content, of course, inclusion in production, but it is not limited. The Nigerian government has not put any policy to deter companies on a number of percentage. The percentage is very, very low for companies that have or that are operating in Nigeria for local contents.
Well, now let's shift our focus a bit, and I want to know, apart from the traditional energy sector, I'm really interested in learning about the investment highlights in Nigeria's agricultural, manufacture, and technology sectors. Are there any hidden gems waiting to be discovered? And could you share some inspiring success stories of Chinese enterprises in these fields? And I'm sure our audience would like to hear that.
Well, in the manufacturing sector, I think the Chinese enterprises in Nigeria have already dominated that sector. We have a lot of Chinese companies in the manufacturing industry. So many of them that are in Nigeria are manufacturing several items, and those items are mostly sold in Nigeria, and some are exported to other neighboring countries. Nigeria being a member of the ECOWAS countries, it guarantees that you can manufacture in Nigeria and sell to all the neighboring ECOWAS countries without paying duties and tariffs. And the agricultural sector, of course, is another area that Nigerian government is really focusing and encouraging people to invest in the Nigerian agricultural industry, especially those who manufacture some agricultural equipments that are handy, that can help the local farmers to to produce more products. I know there are a lot of Chinese companies already selling some tractors, harvesters, and so many other agricultural machineries in Nigeria.
Well, okay, thank you so much for sharing so many valuable information with us.
Thank you.
And your insights have given us a much more clear picture of the Nigerian market and its potential for our enterprises. Thanks again for Mr. Hassan Mohammed's participation in this event. That's all for today's interview.